All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to work through one of the complex word problems that you will have on your unit test, which is tomorrow. And this is a different example than you saw on your pretest. Okay, so in this word problem, we have Susan and Joe who are helping their mom buy supplies for gift bags for Joe's 16th birthday party. Each gift bag will have 5 pieces of candy and 2 glow-in-the-dark bracelets. As you're going through word problems, it's always a good idea to circle the important numbers so that you can come back to them and find them easily in the future. So their mom gave Susan $20 to purchase as many bags of candy at Walmart as she can. Multi-flavor bags of candy cost $6.60 and have 35 pieces of candy per bag. Joe was given $15 to buy as many 10 packs of glow-in-the-dark bracelets as he can. These 10 packs cost $3 each. $3 each, $15 total, and they're 10 packs. Okay, so then the question we're given, the first question of this problem, is that Susan buys as many bags of candy as she can afford, and Joe buys as many packs of glow bracelets as he can afford. How many complete party gift bags can they create from what they bought? So let's start with Susan. Take it one step at a time, guys. Susan has $20, and she needs to buy bags of candy that cost $6.60 each. So in order to find out how much candy she actually can buy, we have to do $20 divided by $6.60. On this part of the test, you will have a calculator to use. Simple 4-function calculator, so you can just type that in, and you end up with the answer 13. That's not right. I did subtraction. Sorry. You end up with 3.0303, and it goes on and on and on. Can you have 0.03 bags of candy? No. So the greatest number of bags that she can buy with her $20 is 3. But that still doesn't answer how many party gift bags she can make with those 3 bags of candy. 3 bags of candy have 35 pieces in each bag. So to find out the total amount of candy we have, we just need to do 3 times 35. That is going to give us 105. So she has a total of 105 pieces of candy. And then we need to find out how many gift bags she can make out of that. Each gift bag, come back up here. Each gift bag has 5 pieces of candy. So to find out the number of gift bags, we take 105, divide it by 5, because there's 5 in each bag. When you do that, you should end up with 21. So according to our math, Susan has enough candy to make 21 party gift bags. Now let's move on to what Joe can do. Hang on, let me make this smaller because it's too big. Hang on, I am smarter than my technology. Maybe. That was one of my very rude first third period students. Please ignore them. Moving right along, let's talk about Joe. Joe needs to buy packs of glow bracelets. And if we look up here, he has $15, and each pack of glow bracelets costs $3. So to find out how many total packs he can buy, we take $15 divided by 3. Hopefully you don't need a calculator to do that. All right, hopefully you don't need a calculator to do that. The answer is 5. He can buy 5 10 packs of glow bracelets. With 5 10 packs of glow bracelets, he has 50 bracelets. And if we find out how many bracelets go in each package, right here, where is it? In the question, 2 glow-in-the-dark bracelets per gift bag. So we take these 50 bracelets that he has, divide it by 2, and Joe can make 24 gift bags with the bracelets he has. So if we think about that, Susan can make 21 gift bags and Joe can make 25. The number of complete gift bags they can make is only 21 because there are not enough pieces of candy to make the 25 gift bags that Joe can make. Please make sure when you finish a problem like this, you don't just put the number 21. Please put 21 complete party bags, okay? That way it makes it really easy for me to see where your answer is so I don't have to hunt around on the page. Moving on to the next question. We still have the same situation, Susan and Joe helping their mom, blah, 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 except now we need to know the cost of each party bag rounded to the nearest cent. So let's take a look at how much each piece of candy costs and how much each glow bracelet costs. And then we can find out what the cost of the entire party bag is. So if we look up here in the problem, a 35 piece of candy bag costs $6.60. We are looking for the cost per candy. The cost in this case is $6.60 per. Per in math almost always means division. There's a couple circumstances where it means multiplication, but for now it means division. The cost per candy, we have 35 pieces of candy. You can then put that in your calculator. Remember, you'll have a calculator on this section of the test. 6.6 divided by 35 is going to give us 0.18857, and it goes on and on. If you are rounding to the nearest cent, you need to round to the hundredths place, which is this 8 right here. To round to the hundredths place, you look at the next number. That number is above 5, so that means that my rounded decimal is going to be 0.19. My 8 goes up 1 to 9. So each piece of candy costs 19 cents. If we have 5 pieces of candy in each bag, we take that 19 cents and we multiply it by 5. That is going to give us a grand total of 95 cents for all of the candy in the bag. We're going to use the same kind of process now to talk about the glow packs, the packs of glow bracelets. Each pack of glow bracelets costs $3, and there are 10 bracelets in the pack. So just like we did cost per candy here, we are going to do cost per bracelet. Sorry about that bell, guys. Total cost for a pack is $3. Per is division, and there are 10 bracelets in the pack. That means that each bracelet is going to cost 30 cents. If you have 2 bracelets in your party favor pack, it's going to be 2 times 0.30, which means that your bracelets are going to cost 60 cents. If we are looking then for the total cost of this favor bag, we need to take the cost of the candy in the bag and add it to the cost of the bracelet. So that is going to be 0.95 plus 0.60. When we add that, we get $1.55. So your final answer here should say the cost per party bag is $1.55. That is your final answer for this question. All right, now the final part of this word problem talks about the amount of change that their mom should expect. And to do that, we have to find out how much each of them actually spent. Let's start with Susan. Susan bought 3 bags of candy. Each bag of candy cost $6.60. So the total amount of money that Susan should have spent, let me grab my calculator, is $19.80. Her mom gave her $20 for the candy. So in order to figure out the change there, we have to take 20 minus 19.80, and we end up with 20 cents. Susan should only be bringing 20 cents home to her mom. Now let's look at Joe, because in this problem, Joe is kind of a special case here. Joe bought 5 packs of bracelets, and each one of them was $3. That's $15 exactly. He got $15 from his mom, so he isn't going to bring her home any change. So their mom should expect to get a grand total of 20 cents change from when Susan and Joe go shopping. All right, guys, this problem is not the exact problem that's on the test, but it's very similar. You may want to consider going back to previous points in this video and trying to work through the problem on your own, using the problem in your pre-test to help you study. And please, please, please leave a comment, ask me a question, and I will help you out. I will make sure I'm on Edmodo very frequently tonight. All right, happy viewing. Have a good one.